hot all day and now it's time to chill it out. You take a dozen jalapenos and you holler those suckers out, and then you stuff them with what you're craving, line them up and go. You put them on the grill where everybody knows that when the steaks are nice and juicy, the peppers are perfect too. Now it's time to chill it out, just your Chile Grill and you and you and you. The original Chile Grill. Get yours today.